Hi guys, my name is Jefferson Solano and he is,
Jordan Gonzalez.
and we talk about the logical connectors.
Well, Jefferson, what is the importance of the logical connectors?
Logical connectors are words or phrases that connect together a sentence with a special or particular relationship. They show a clear logical relationship between the sentence. They include words such as furthermore, eventually, in contrast to this, and consequently.
This time we will focus on cause and effect connectors. These show cause and effect or reason and result. Some examples are therefore, consequently, in consequence of this, for this reason, because of this, as a result, so that, and with the result that.
Some examples!
Number 1. There was nothing on TV, so I decided to go to bed.
Number 2!
He wanted to buy a car, consequently, he bought it.
Number 3! I haven't eaten in days, and therefore I'm starving.
In conclusion, we believe that the proper use of logical connectors is in a compound sentence, in other words, a sentence with two independent clauses and related talks.
Created using Powtoon.